How to hard reset OnePlus 13T. Factory reset step-by-step method 1. Through settings if your phone is responsive. Step 1. Open settings on your OnePlus 13T. Step 2. Scroll down and tap System. Step 3. Tap Reset Options. Step 4. Select Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Step 5. Tap Reset Phone. Step 6. Confirm by entering your PIN or password if prompted. Step 7. Tap Erase Everything to start the reset. Method 2. Using recovery mode, if phone is unresponsive or locked. Step 1. Turn off your OnePlus 13T completely. Step 2. Press and hold volume down, power buttons simultaneously until the OnePlus logo appears. Step 3. Release the buttons once the recovery mode menu shows up. Step 4. Use the volume buttons to navigate to wipe data, factory reset. Step 5. Press the power button to select it. Step 6. Navigate to Yes and confirm with the power button. Step 7. Wait for the reset process to complete. Step 8. Select Reboot System now and press the power button. To restart.